So, good evening everyone. We are the batch 5. So, before we start, let me introduce the members. Marie. So, first, my name is Maria Joyanga. Next is Abejero Ellen Marie, Baloloy Maria Faith, Bonete Rain, Fernanda Shintaro, Marcelo Genevieve, Ravelo Ann Margaret, San Jose Alexa, and Sisbino Ashley. So, before po tayo mag-start, let me call Baloloy.
Good evening, everyone. My question is, why does spoons have convex and concave mirror? Marie? If the reflecting surface is convex, then it is a convex mirror. The inner surface of a spoon acts like a concave mirror, while its outer surface acts like a convex mirror. The image formed by a plane mirror is erect. It is a virtual and is of the same size as the object. The image is at the same distance behind the mirror and as the object is in front of it. In an image formed by a mirror, the left side of the object is seen on the right side in the image, and right side of the object appears to be on the left side in the image. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Ashley Sesbino, and the question that I will answer is why causes the sunset to be red? So, Marie, ang light ng araw ay nagko-compose ng 7 kulay. Ito nga ang red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo at violet na tinatawag nga nating 7 visible spectrum. And each color of light has an own wavelength. Ang pinaka-longest wavelength ay ang red, and the wavelength keeps decreasing all the way up to violet sa nakikita natin. And ano nga bang relevance nito sa pagpapaliwanag kung bakit ang sunset ay red and yellow or orange? Kasi, these different wavelengths ay papasok sa ating atmosphere. Marie? Sa makikita natin, during day, the sun is directly siyang nasa above ng ulo natin. So, ang sun ay nagtatravel sa atmosphere na kung saan ang blue ang mas scattered na color na nagiging dahilan na ito ang mas nakikita ng mga eyes natin. Marie? While sa hapon, yung sunlight ay nagtatravel ng long distance sa atmosphere to reach our eyes na nagiging dahilan na ang blue light has been mostly removed or nasa-scattered away such that they can even reach our eyes. Pero ang light that reaches our eyes ay ang red, orange, and yellow light. Kaya ang kulay ng sunset na nakikita natin ay red or orange. So sa madaling salita, kapag lumulubog na ang araw, ang liwanag na nagmumula sa araw ay unting-unting lumalayo sa observer. So tayo yung observer. Kaya ang mga kulay na may short wavelengths tulad ng blue and violet ay nasa-scattered or nare-remove sa ating atmosphere. Kaya hindi na nakakaabot sa ating paningin. At ang mga longest wavelength, ito naman ang mga red, yellow, orange, ang mas madali natin itong nakikita kapag lumulubog ang araw. Kaya ang sunset ay kulay red, orange, and yellow. That's all. Thank you.
Itong maingay Good evening again. So, my name is Maria Joyanga. So, why does the sky appear to be blue? Marie? So, when the light travel much a longer path or optical depth through the atmosphere, the sky can turn a variety of colors, such as red, orange, purple, and yellow. So, kapag yung light ng sky is nagpa-partly polarized siya due to scattering effects, nagaganap nga ito. So, why does the sky appear to be color blue? So, sabi dito, ang puting liwanag ay nahahati sa 7 kulay. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So, yung puting ilaw is portion siya ng electromagnetic spectrum. It represents sa band of the wavelengths na nadedetect ng eyes natin. So, Rayleigh discovers na kapag ang particle sa hangin yung nagbubungguan kasama ng sinag ng araw, kumakalat yung wavelength sa iba't ibang direction. Pero may mga wavelengths na mas madaling kumalat compared sa iba. At isa na nga dito yung wavelength ng blue. So, 10 times siyang mas mabilis kumalat kaysa sa ibang kulay. Kaya mas visible siya sa ating mga mata. Ayun lang po. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Shintaro Fernandez. Good evening. What are the 4 types of clouds? Stratus clouds, are low-level layers with fairly uniform gray or white color. Often the scene of dull, overcast days in its nebulous form, they can persist for long periods of time. Cirrus is a genus of atmospheric cloud generally characterized by thin wispy strands, giving the type its name from the Latin word cirrus meaning ringlet or curling lock of hair. Cirrostratus. Clouds are like big sheets of thin clouds covering the sky, and this makes sense because of the word stratus means sheet like, so this type of cloud is big wispy sheet in the sky. Cumulus clouds are clouds which have flat bases and are often described as puffy cotton-like or fluffy in appearance. And that's all. Thank you po.
So hello, I am Alexang San Jose, and my question is, what are the 7 visible spectrum colors? Marie? The 7 visible spectrum colors are the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And nakakatulong ito para madaling matandaan ng mga tao yung meaning ng Rorschach. So as the full spectrum of visible light travels through a prism, the wavelengths separate into the colors of the rainbow because each color is a different wavelength. Speaking of different wavelengths, Marie? We have an electromagnetic spectrum that is generally divided into 7 regions. The common designations are radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet light, X-rays, and gamma rays. So back to the topic of 7 visible spectrum colors, visible light waves are the only electromagnetic waves we can see. And we see these waves as the colors of the rainbow. That's all. Thank you.
So, good evening. I am Rainbow Nete, and give at least 3 things that will happen this 2022 in the universe. We are in the 4th month of year 2022. This year, we are experiencing a lot of things such as the pandemic, that the Taal volcano might erupt again, typhoons, and other. Just like in our solar system, there are a lot of things that we should expect this 2022. So I will give you the 3 things that will happen in our solar system. First is total lunar eclipse. In 2022, there will be 2 total lunar eclipses, and it will be on May 15 to May 16, 2022. It will be visible from North and South America, Europe, Africa, and parts of Asia. It is expected to be completed in 1 to 2 hours. The other one will be the month of November. Marie? So katulad nga ng discussion last recitation, lunar eclipse is one of astronomical phenomena na nakikita natin without using a telescope. So lunar eclipse is when the Earth is in the middle of the Sun and the Moon, meaning natatakpan ni Earth yung liwanag ng araw kaya nati-filter out siya. Marie? In wavelength, red is the longest color and violet is the shortest. So in lunar eclipse, red light lang yung nakakatagos kasi yung ibang colors sa wavelength is natatakpan na ng Earth. Kaya nagiging red ang kulay ng ating buwan kapag may eclipse. At ang buwan na ito ay tinatawag nating blood moon. Marie? The second one is Mars opposition. Mars opposition will be on December 8. It is when the Mars are on directly opposite sides of Earth. Also, the opposition happens every 26 months. Marie? So ito naman, katulad lang din ng eclipse. Nakapwesto or nakatago yung Mars sa anino ni Earth. Nangyayari ang opposition dahil mas mabagal ang pag-orbit ni Mars sa Sun kaysa sa Earth. At kailangan pa ulit ng 2 years para bumalik or mag-orbit ulit si Mars. So once na nagkaroon ng Mars opposition, mas makikita natin ng maayos yung Mars, ng mas malapitan, kahit hindi tayo gumamit ng telescope. At isa pa, ang mga NASA ay nagkakaroon ng mission kapag
ang kapag may Mars opposition na nangyayari. Kasi syempre, mas malapit sa Earth yung Mars. Meaning, mas mababawasan yung gas expenses and yung time para mag-travel. Kaya sinusulit nila yung Mars opposition. Marie? Lastly is Geminid meteor shower. This will begin on December 14 and ends on December 15. This shower is expected to have 90 meteors per hour. So based on my research, this meteor shower is caused by the object 3,200 Phaethon, which is thought to be a Pelagian asteroid with a rock comet orbit. This meteor shower is from the constellation of Gemini. Consider siyang one of the best meteor showers every year. Kada meteors nito is maliwanag or bright and sobrang bilis kung magpapakita. Fast and furious ba? Ganon. Ang kaso nga lang, hindi natin lahat makita kasi masasaktuhan siya ng paglabas ng isang buwan na may 3/4 ang liwanag. To the point na sa sobrang liwanag nito ay masasapawan yung ibang meteors at ang buwan na ito ay tinatawag na waning gibbous. Pero kahit ganun pa man ay meteor shower pa rin ito. Kaya mark your calendar if hilig kayo sa meteor shower. So that's all. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. What colors have long wavelengths and short wavelengths? Marie? Red, orange, yellow, and green are the colors that are belong to the long wavelengths, while blue, indigo, and violet are the colors that belongs to the short wavelengths. As you can see in the picture, yung distance po ng one crest to another is paliit ng paliit yung distance nila from red to violet. Yun po yung dun po natin malalaman kung short wavelength ba siya or long wavelength. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Good evening. The question I will answer today is, why does a spectrum look like a rainbow? Marie? When sunlight hits a rain droplet, some of the light is reflected. The electromagnetic spectrum is made of light with many different wavelengths, and each is reflected at a different angle. Thus, spectrum is separated, producing a rainbow. So, ang spectrum daw ay nakikita kapag ang sikat ng araw ay tumama sa raindrop. Kaya naman siya nakaka-form ng rainbow dahil sa light na may iba't ibang wavelength. Ang rainbow naman ay circular arc of colors formed in the sky. So dito naman ang rainbow ay napo-form because of prismatic refraction of light within droplets of rain in the air. So pareho silang nagpo-form sa rain. Ang kaibahan lang, ang rainbow sa air, siya nagpo-form while ang spectrum naman ay sa raindrop. That's all.
Hello, my name is Abhera Ellen Marie, and my question is, what are the reason of the dark rain clouds? As we all know, the white color of the cloud is how our eyes perceive all the wavelength of the sunlight mix. We have this cloud composition. Cloud have billions of microscopic dots of water called clouds droplets. When the reflection of the sun hits the clouds, it will appear the white color, and when it's about to rain, the water vapor is clumping together into raindrops, leaving larger spaces between drops of water and absorb or block the sunlight. That's the reason why when it's going to rain, the clouds are getting darker, less light, and the rain clouds appear dark gray. That's all.
Again, we are the Batch 5 and we thank you for listening. That's all.